Hi everyone, I'm Nord, I'm a solution consultant at Enable, and I'm here to show you Mautic and how easy it is for anyone just to pick up and use. So firstly, when you log into Mautic, you get presented with a colourful dashboard. As you can see here, we have statistics like ignored, opened, our most sent emails, our most read emails, and also some information about our contacts. So where are most of our contacts based on this little graph. And then also we can see how many contacts we created across a month period. So what I'm going to do is if I go into campaigns and then if I go into start a new campaign, firstly you give your campaign a name. So I'm just going to give this one nurture short term, and then we launch the campaign builder. When the campaign builder launches, you're then prompted to select what are your segments. So here we do contact segments, we can then search. I'm just going to use my Brad only segment and then hit add. And then we can see we get these little bubbles under our segment name. If we click the plus sign, we then get presented with three options: a decision, an action, or a condition. So a decision is, for example, have they opened the email, and then it gives you a yes or no path. An action is like sending an email or sending an SMS message. And then a condition, it checks the contact's profile and then it gives you a path if it's true or false. So for this one, I just want to send an email. So I'm going to do select action, search for send email. It gives me the option to then name this action. So I'm going to say send email. Send email. And then we have an option to either do it immediately at a relevant time point or specific date and time. So I'm going to do immediately. And then email to send, it gives you a list of all the emails in your system, or you have the option to create a new email. So here I'm just going to select this test email, and then we have the option to see if it's a transactional email or a marketing email, and then what is the priority, and then how many attempts do I want to send this email if it bounces back. If I click add, we can then see we get this little bubble that says send or schedule email, and then below that we then get the bubble again to add an additional action. So here we can do a decision, check to see if the client opened the email, and we can name it did they open the email, hit add, and then we get another little box, and then we get the true line and we get the false line. And then from there you can branch out and do your nurture. Thanks for watching, guys.